Hi, welcome dear students to third video of chapter 9. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I'm going to discuss about potential threats while using internet. Previous video I explained about advantages of internet and disadvantages of internet. Now let us discuss one by one the potential threats while using internet. So threats in a computer system is possible danger that might put your data security on stake. So this is very important when you accessing internet must take precaution while you use internet. So we'll discuss one by one the threats, uh, potential threats while using internet. And so you can see the web hits, spam, virus alerts, malware, and Trojan, ransomware, worms, cookies. So some of the potential threats are now spyware. We discussed about spyware and spyware. So the software that collects information about an online user secret. So it explains information about the surfing habits, web pages visited, email address data, passwords, and credit debit card details. So as the name is malware, someone try to keep their eyes on your computer while using the internet. They watch the activity, how the spyware, the software that collects information about an online user secret. So spyware, it the software that collects information about an online user. So this is very important while you use internet must take precaution. We'll see here the various threats. Now another one is the spamming. So now spamming. What is the spamming? So spamming is sending unwanted messages and advertisements to a number of recipients. Scams are security threats as they are used to send emails with viruses, worms, and others. So when you see sometimes when you see when you open your email and inside you see there a spam folder. So number of emails you see inside the spam folder. So unwanted emails and you see sometimes advertisements to and advertisement to a number of recipients. No, same email for the purpose of the advertisement sent to multiple users. So you can see the spams are security threats as they are used to send emails with viruses, worms, and spyware. Another is scareware. Scareware, it is a malware also that flashes a message in a pop-up window telling the user that the system is infected with a virus and asks the user to claim it. So the user innocently clicks a link which downloads a harmful program to a system. When you open when you use internet and you see sometimes a pop-up message, pop-up window, and it tells you the user that the system is infected with the virus, and and it asks you to clean it. So the you don't know about the virus, and the user innocently clicks a link, and which leads to download harmful programs to the system. So you must take precaution while you use, and if you see the such a pop-up and it asks you to clean your different message you get. So pop-up window, when you see it, it says you to clean up the space. This is a couple of scareware, and another is the malware. So malware is a malicious software. It stands for malicious software. So viruses, worms, and trojans are part of the malware. You see the very dangerous uh, virus harms your computer. Similar to a scareware, it flashes a message that results in a downloading of malicious program to the system. So once you click on the pop-up and you download, and the flash message when click you there and you download the malicious program, it harms your computer. Another one is the virus. So a computer virus is a program that is secretly embedded in the computer system to steal information or destroy data. It can spread to other computers and harm them also. So virus, when you how it spreads. So if the another computer is in the network, it also harm the other. So there may be chances of infection to the other computer. Okay. So a virus is a program. A computer virus is a program that's secretly embedded in the computer system. No, to steal information or destroy data. Another one is the Trojan. So Trojan is a program that purports to be a part of the software, but once downloaded, installs itself and runs automatically. So the most of the Trojan cannot be detected by antivirus software. They can delete files, data, useful information, and even hack other computer connected to you. Sometimes when we use to scan uh, using the antivirus, so antivirus sometimes not able to track, not able to identify the Trojan. So this is very dangerous, and so it cannot be detected by the antivirus software. Most of the Trojan virus, and what happens? Cause Trojans virus can delete files when data useful information. So this is very dangerous, and and even the Trojan, even the antivirus software hardly able to detect. So now another one is ransomware. So as the name suggests, the malware installs itself into a computer and then threats to delete important information and sensitive data if a ransom is not paid. And they destroy your data, and they ask you to ransom. If you will not pay the ransom, uh, ransomware software they will delete the important information and sensitive data. So Malware, this malware install itself into a computer and then tries to delete important information and sensitive data. So you can understand how dangerous it is. And another was a war. So they attack a computer by embedding themselves in a memory and spreading to other computer in the networks. So it spreads to the in a network, in another network, other computer in the network. If the multiple computer attached, so embedding themselves in the memory and spreading to other computer network. So they consume a lot of computer memory and internet bandwidth, which results in the slowing down the system. So generally, you see what how big would you know your system is uh, infected with the virus. So some symptoms like it slows down your computer. You will not able to uh, work as fast as you used to, and even you are not able to click the mouse properly. Sometimes your system going to restart after a certain interval of time. It automatically restarts when you are using, and you will not able to open the software. So it happens. So you can like this is the it may be the reason. There may be a reason of the virus threats, and another one is the cookies. Text message given to a web browser by a web server is called web service known as cookie. So browser saves this data in a file called cookie. And this cookie is used by the browser every time we search for something similar on the internet. Cookie is a small text data which is saved in the your browser. Now, sometimes when you see simple example of the cookie, you can see sometimes when you going to log in with your account, generally what you do, generally remember me, what you just click, so that you don't need to remember every time when you are going to log in. So this is a simple example of the cookie. And the text message is given to a web browser by a web server is known as the cookie. And also it stores in the client side. Your client is like your uh, browser. So this browser saves this data in a file, and the data is saved in the file. It's called the cookie. So this cookie is used by the browser every time we search for something similar on the internet. So I hope understood what the point which I explained. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.